Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to install Ubuntu server. So let's start. I already created a virtual machine here. Let's power on this machine. Now here, this is the welcome screen. Here we are seeing two options, try Ubuntu and install Ubuntu. If you want to test Ubuntu before installing it, then you can click on this try Ubuntu machine, because this ISO include a live mode that runs in a memory, so you can test the Ubuntu before installing it. So let's click on install Ubuntu now. Now select the default keyboard, click continue. We have multiple options here. The first one is the normal installation. This normal installation is having full Ubuntu with softwares like Office, the media players, etc. And the minimal installation we use to save the disk space, especially if you don't want the softwares like Office softwares, games or media players. So if you don't want these things, then you can choose minimal installation. This option download large files during installation. So once the installation completed, the particular packages are ready to apply as an update. There is one more option, install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. We just uncheck this one, click on continue button. There are two options here, erase disk and install Ubuntu. This will erase the complete disk and create partition automatically and install the Ubuntu. And if you click on additional features, two options, use LVM with the new Ubuntu installation. This will create the LVM partitions. This will use the ZFS file system. So I'll continue with the none option. And there is one option, something else. If you want to manually create partitions of your own, then you can select this something else, and when you click on continue, here you can select the particular disk and create partition table, continue. And here you need to click on the free space, and here you can create your own partition with your own size. So here you can mention the size, and here you can select the mount points like root, boot, home, temp, user. So here you can create the customized partitions. So we'll click back option and we'll continue with the erase disk and install Ubuntu. Click install now. Following partitions are going to be created. Click continue. Create a user, then password, click continue. Alright, our installation is started now. It will take some time. Alright, installation is completed now. Let's restart the system. Let's remove the installation media, and then we'll going to press enter. For this, to setting and just uncheck this ISO to use physical drive and click OK, and now press enter. Okay, click on user, put password here. So as you can see, our system is up now. So in this way you can install the Ubuntu. Here you can see multiple folders, like this is the user home directory, this one is user home directory. If you are looking for some particular software, you can search from here. This is LibreOffice Excel. So here you can search particular software. If you click on this tab, it will show you all the application installed on this Ubuntu machine, like this. Here you can see the Excel, then PowerPoint, Word. There are a lot of softwares available here, like Firefox. So you can search softwares from here, or you can type the software name in the in this search bar. When you type Libra, it will show you Excel, PowerPoint, Office. So it will show you all the application if it's available on the system, so you can search it from here. You can make settings here for your network. If you want to shut down the system, you can click on this button, power off, power off. So in this way you can install your Ubuntu server. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, then please like and share my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in next video.